cats are playing with that cat toy. It's very hard to see, but yeah. Oh my god. Bro thinks she's the Flash. The kitten went the wrong way. Bro, the kitten is like Zorro. A little bit like Zorro. Oh, Snowy! Oh my god, my kitten Misha is so confused. Go, go, go! Oh my god, even the mother cat is playing too, but very slow. Yo, bro, Snowy went the wrong way. Misha came in first. Snowy is not here yet. Yo, yo, yo. The kitten won. Bye. Kitten. Kitten is like watching a show while she's running. Go, kitten. Oh my god. Kitten. Bro, how is Snowy getting lost? She's all the way over there. Like somewhere. Hey, she's somewhere there. Maybe somewhere there. Oh! She found. Snowy came in first. But scared, so she hid. Oh my god, Snowy is quite fast. Snowy's about like 1 or 2 years old. In human years, that's like adult already. Let's see whether she can reach it. But it's like Misha has infinite stamina. Oh my god! Misha's still puffed up, so that she's very scared. Oh, look at her. Meow beacons. Oh my god, Snowy fly by. Bye everybody. If you like this kitten video, leave a like and subscribe. Bye bye. Say bye bye to kitten too.